Stop the zero reconciliation headaches. If reconciling invoices or bills is slowing you down, hit that subscribe button now and let's get it sorted quickly and correctly. I'm Lucy from Burton's Academy and I'm here to simplify things for you by providing step-by-step guidance. Starting on the dashboard screen, what we'll do is open Business Bank Account and we'll go to the Reconcile screen. And what we'll notice is the very first transaction has a bill allocated against it. So we know this is a spent item and therefore we are looking for a bill. And what we'll notice is Xero will come up with a green box when it identifies a bill that it thinks should be allocated to this transaction. It does not mean this is the exact bill you want to allocate, so be careful. What it should be doing is it should be checking the date that's on your bank transaction and the contact name and the amount. And so therefore, what you want to just double check is all of those things are correct. And if they are, and you're happy that that is the right bill, you can click OK. You also might find the customer will include your invoice number in their transaction when transferring you the money. This can help you identify which invoice number to allocate this bill to. So what we'll find on this particular transaction is there is more than one possible match. So I'm going to click on this button. Alternatively, I can click on Find and Match. And what that will do is Xero will search within Xero of outstanding bills that have not been reconciled and suggest bills that it thinks this item should be reconciled against. And what I can see is I have a bill for the 9th of March and the 9th of April. Therefore, I know it is the 9th of March that needs to be allocated against the 9th of March. What I can also do is go and enter the transaction if I wish by clicking on this button. Alternatively, I can just click Reconcile or scroll back to the top and click OK. And there you have it. Ready to master Xero and accounting? Subscribe now to gain access to more expert videos from Burton's Academy. See you at the next one.